Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn one of the most fundamental concepts in Python, variable and data types. These are the building block of any program, especially in data analytics. So what is variable? A variable is simply a container used to store data value. Think of it like a label box where you can keep your information. On screen you can see the name is equal to Pawan and age is equal to 25. Here name and age are variables, storing string and numerical data. So why variables are important? Variables help us to store, update and reuse data throughout a program. Instead of writing the same value again and again, we use variables to make the code efficient and readable. So next, data type in Python. Python supports several built-in data types. Let's go through the most commonly used one. The first one is numerical type. Here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 15. Integer are whole numbers and floats are decimal numbers. And second type is string type. Name is equal to data type. Strings are sequences of character enclosed in a quotes. So third will be Boolean type. Here I have taken an example like is active is equal to true. Boolean values represent true or false conditions. So fourth will be list type. So here I have taken example like a number equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable as a number. So fifth type is dictionary type. So here I have taken like a student. In that I am storing a name is equal to Pawan and age is equal to 25. So dictionary stores data in key value pairs. So next will be checking data type. So how we will check the data and what is the data type of that data. So you can use the type function to check the data type of any variables. So as I have taken an example like a print type of age. So in this video we learned what variables and the different types in Python. These concepts are essential for data analysis, so make sure to practice them. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe and stay tuned for the next lesson. So thank you friends.